Hey guys, I'm going to go over the inverted barbell row. This is a great exercise for working that upper back area, particularly those arms. And if you don't have regular pull-ups, it can be a great way to build pull-up strength for performing regular pull-ups. Now, you can see how I set this up is I'm going to be pulling this way. So what you want to do is have your bar set up so that you are pulling into the rig. If I were to set this barbell up the other way, obviously I'd be pulling out of the rig and I'd be in a lot of trouble. So make sure you got this set up correctly so your pulling direction is this way. So you can vary the difficulty with this as far as basically the more horizontal your body is, the harder it's going to be. So if you actually raise the height, it'll get a little bit easier. And then also you can, if you bring your legs in, which I'll show you, you can also make it a little bit easier. But find somewhere that's still going to be challenging for you. So you're going to take a grip that's anywhere from shoulder width or slightly wider apart. And then you'll come down, plant your heels on the floor, okay? Get that nice straight body position, and then pull until it hits your chest. So if that's a little too hard, you can bring your feet in like this. And perform them that way. You saw at the end, I let myself sag a little bit. You want to try to keep that nice straight torso line. And that right there is the inverted barbell row.